Tutorial quest yang susah di-trigger voice in the air. Maaf, untuk ada suara goib karena prosesnya makan waktu banget. Kunci trigger ini counter ini. Kamu harus menunggu waktu normal di in-game, bukan real time. Tunggu saja di taman area Flower Expanse. Saat waktu Z, kalian harus gerak sedikit buat trigger questnya. Kalau tutorial yang lain malah gak muncul. Saya sudah tes sampai ngeluh, Zang mulu. Sebelum trigger quest ini, kamu harus punya Moonlit Flower Seed. Pastikan ada di tas bagian quest seperti di video. Selanjutnya ikuti saja video ini ya guys.
After the encounter notices show up. This time, when the wind changes, the encounter begins. Follow the marker to a circle of flowers at the edge of the field. Step into the center and plant the Moonlit Flower Seed. A flash of light and a glowing hut appears to the west. Approach the hut and interact with the glowing bell. You are teleported to Harvestfall Village. Follow the glowing hut ahead to return. Back again, a second bell appears to the east. Interact with it to reach Heaven's Peak. Follow the glowing structures toward the hut and return once again. Flower expands. Now, a third bell appears to the west. Interact with it. You are transported to Crimson Cliffs. A spirit deer appears. Follow it. It leads you south of the Widow Eye. Ahead, two spirits are speaking. Listen carefully. After the dialogue, continue following the deer. It leads you to a glowing gate. Listen once more. This is not just a quest. This is a memory carried by the wind. A final flash of light. You return to Flower Expanse, lying quietly among the flowers. The wind is calm now. The voices are gone. But something remains. A story that was never meant to be forgotten. And that concludes Voices in the Air. Follow the wind, and you'll find the truth.
Begini-begini aja padamu. Ini ada dalam mimpi. Apa? Itu tadi semuanya. Ini. Dialog keempat. Ikuti usahanya. Kamu. Mana itu usahanya? Sini. Ke sana. Katanya. Dengerin dia ngomong. Ikutin rusanya lagi. Kita tahu gue sama kau. gitu doang questnya.
Oke, next ditunggu video tutorial War Wine Smith lainnya.